didn't see you there. Today we're gonna be cooking some food on part 3 or part 2 or what the
Chef Pee-Pee?
What?
We need to talk. You keep making messes in the kitchen.
What? I'm making masterpieces.
Yeah, masterpieces.
Masterpieces.
What?
Go and play. What are you doing? Yeah, boy. I'm gonna open it. Oh yeah. Okay. Turn to 50 degrees and there we go.
Chef Pee-Pee, what are you cooking?
I'm cooking donuts.
What kind of donuts?
Nuts.
Got him.
Hey, guess what came in the mail today?
I guess these nuts.
Nope, my hand in your butt. I mean, your face. Hey, guess what?
What?
Victory Royale. Ha, that'll show him. Oh no, oh, the bread. I forgot to put it in the microwave.
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee.
Shut up. Alright, I got the bread in the microwave. Oh no, I forgot. It's going to explode if you don't open it. Oh yeah. Oh man. Alright, let's open it up. Oh yeah, that's blew up. Oh yeah. Alright, I guess I'll just store that for later. Alright. Thank you, Captain Obvious. Oh shoot, I need the cream. Oh. Yeah. Alright, just put that in here. Alright, now let's just wait for that to roast. Too hot.
Ooh, you're better than what Chef Pee-Pee's cooking.
Excuse me?
I didn't say anything. This bread sucks.
I cooked that bread.
This bread sucks.
Well, I heard you say that is the best bread ever, so I'll come down there. Choose.
Hi, you missed me.
Here we go.
Hi, you missed me.
Hello. What the are you doing, you ugly, stupid little son of a bitch?
Come here. Oh, crap.
Oh, I forgot about the bread. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's open this up. Lemonade.
Come on, you high score. Freaking suppers. What was I supposed to do? Oh, okay, 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 yeah, that one. Hey, yeah, you got the wrong number. Alright, hello, can I get a nuke, not a nuke, a missile, with, Diet Coke, some green beans, one? You scammed.
It would be on its way.
I gotta hide in a bunker. I didn't order 5 missiles.
Well, this is my bunker time for you to get ready for this. It's the house on fire! Chef Pee-Pee! Oh, looks like you got yourself in a little bit of a pickle there.
Are you saying that because you're a chef?
Yes.
Burn!
Stop, drop your phone. Stop,
Okay,
stop.
it's gone. It's gone. Come on, we need to go.
The house is on fire!
What's up? Hey, what are you doing here?
I said the nuke. I mean the
Chef Pee-Pee, I need to come with you. Oh gosh.
Oh, we came to save you, Mario.
Thank you. Chica, what are you doing here?
She's helping me.
Okay. Thanks, Chica. Thanks, Chef Pee-Pee.
Oh, thanks.
What are we gonna do?
What if we beat up on Freddy and we send a nuke on him?
Guys, hold on. I'm not
Hey,
that.
shut up!
I'm not that big of a fighter. Ow!
You're not gonna fight.
Yeah, you can just. I'll help you go to where everybody else is going. You know
Okay,
what? I have an idea.
Why'd you smell me?
Okay, I have an idea.
Delicious. Oh no.
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee, no.
I thought I was helping you.
Let's go. Go.
Okay.
Okay. So anyway,
I have an idea. What if we send a nuke on him and then we run
that's
out of
gonna
the
kill
house?
all of us though. Let's go in a
We
missile.
run out of the house. How about we send a missile?
Yeah, missile. That's better. Okay. Let me call it in.
What are you doing? Oh my God! Come here! Please don't tire me! No!
Oh wait, it's just tomato sauce.
Oh, what the fuck you do that? You son of a bitch.
I didn't know. It just felt so real.
Let's go and get that.
Who are you?
Who the heck are you?
I just need to know where rescues is.